And as we set the context for our live demo, I just have, kind of a scene, a story that we're telling is about our friend Kevin. He is a sales rep for Acme, and he's just had a great meeting with one of his customers or one of his prospects, and he's walking away. As you see, he's leaving the building and he's walking back to his car. And this is Kevin's phone, so he can go to his Salesforce, maybe navigate directly to his contacts, as I'm doing right here. And then his meeting was with Michael. So he goes to Michael contact, opens it up, and then within this, he can find a new button. And as we tap on Hey Alfred, we launch our audio recording. So this is where we create the input. And let me actually do that live with you. So I tap on start recording, and the audio recording will start. Okay, just met with Michael. He shared the requirements and the focus on the across their operations. They also want to get deeper, more complex data, feedback from the field, from their customer situation. And also want to find ways to across the organization to a fully remote team. Now, I really show our technology impressed with our ability to meet the requirements and we have next. I want to share the link to the Alfred for free for our platforms. And I want to share information for our event here in London, the exchange live having in May. So that will be my quick debrief. As you can see, I've just a data dump from my brain, or maybe reading from my notes as I follow up from my event. As we now have created a note, and the magic has happened. So the first thing that we notice here is, as I mentioned, that we had the running user, the audio, and the time date stamp, but we also have an interesting sentiment assigned to this note. But most importantly, right here in the executive summary, we can read, and you might be reading it, and let me make it maybe bigger for you, and it's captured the core of the information that I shared back in my Salesforce. We then have, if I switch to the second tab, you can see that we have a follow-up tab where next steps are actually captured individually. And we also have the opportunity to tick them off. So Alfred has identified a few next steps out of this conversation with the client. Can we help our sales rep or our customer success manager to follow up by creating an email that is drafted for them based on my quick 45 seconds of debrief? And as you probably can imagine, I can actually go in and edit it. I can just copy it, and let me go back to full screen. So I can copy. Now it's in my clipboard. I can bring it into email, my Gmail, my Outlook, and send it off, and I'm ready in 30 seconds. Not only I captured, I enriched my information that I shared in Salesforce, but I also close the loop with them. I wanted to add one thing. We're now supporting virtually any language across the globe. Thank you for attending. Looking forward to activating Alfred in your org.